Tank9 Code checking in, Tank9 Code checking in. BiZ9 Framework updates. We're creating our own WordPress system. The title is the BiZ9 CMS, which is a content management system that you use to update your web application. This is the Wright installs website application. It is React based and it's coming together quite lovely. I got everything operating professionally, so we got the bird for the ego, because our ego equals our ego, which flies high. Egos fly alone. And nothing wrong with having an ego, right? That's your personality. That's the I in you. So I'm Tank, I'm the code guy, and this is the BiZ9 Framework. And this is way better than WordPress, as you can see, right? It's no, I can log out. Let me log out and log back in so I can show you how that's working. So you go ahead and log out, and we're gonna log out. All right, so this is the system. And I got it to a point where, this is the home page of the content management system, right? This is the dashboard screen. This is the website we're working on right now. So let's change this picture right here, right? This is the home page picture. So with any website, clients want to be able to update, modify, and make changes themselves. They don't have to call the developer and frequently ask them to make changes. They want to be able to go in and modify it themselves. So let's go in here and update this website. See, with the CMS system, the BiZ9 Framework, doing so is very easily. You simply go to the home page, which is here. And it's very easy. So if you can zoom in some more, so we go back to our pages. This is the home page right here. So the home page, this is our home page, right? But the home page, it has multiple sections, right? So we have a header, have a section 1, and section 2. Let's change the picture in section 1. Let's try how easy that is. So you go to your CMS system, you go to pages, click on sub items, and here's the picture. Alright, so let's change out this picture. We're going to remove it, and we're going to add a new picture. Right? I personally I'm in the Maserati mode. Right? 'Cause I got an old truck now, but this is going to be my second purchase, a whole Maserati. Alright, so boom, that's a very nice Maserati. So we're going to update it, and then we're going to go now to back to our Wright application, update the home page. And go here, and voila. There we made modifications. This is the home page, you just changed it, brings it out a whole lot more, right? Because for a website, you want to have a nice intro. And pictures say 1,000 words, right? And you want to have something nice and something that stands out. I thought this was a slideshow, but it's not. It's simply just a home flat screen picture. This can be a picture of MK, him working on, some services, him with his team, him traveling, So this would be a great picture of himself in a nice suit, with his merchandise and services in front of him, right? Do a nice photo shoot. We go to the Bentley Auto Shop, do some nice photo shoots there, go to the office, down in Buckhead, do some photo shoots there, and then put some nice pictures of him and the team right here on the home page so it can really stand out. Yep. So this is the home page, and we also can change other sections of the site, right? If we go back to the home page, right? So the home page has multiple sections, and you see here. So let's go a little bit longer. So then you have values, right? So you just say you want to change these different items on the home page, right? You got value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see how it flows there. So to simply make the changes for these fields, you simply go to values and you make the change there. You can say, hey, put that there. Then we go down here, we can save, update. Go take a look back at the website, hit refresh. And voila. There you have it. The value I just inputted, updated it to. Right? So we're here now. Expect more to come. I got this thing nice. It's like, man, CMS took some time. It took me like 2 months to build, right? I had to learn React, which is a language about 5 years old. Facebook spent about, a few billions, building it. It took me about, between 2 days and 2 months to learn it. So I've mastered it at this point, right? So it's here now. I'm going to show it to y'all. Be able to do websites a lot quicker, travel, get the team, apply pressure, have consistency, right? Because the thing is, I got to make sure my product was right. Because this is perfection. This is close to perfection as I can get it. So I got to get it out. We got to make some money. I got to do some traveling. Like my man Paul here, he be all over the world doing this thing. I think here when you're in Switzerland, probably dropping some money off, so I like to do multitask. And this is this is the information for this site, it gets outputted here so I can look at it, right? So we're here, we're doing great. Dogs are asleep. I'm gonna check out now. Everyone have a wonderful day. Tank9 Code signing out.